Aqara Cube. It's our Aqara Magic Cube. So let's see if it does work. Let me try. Yeah, well, it does turn off the lights. I think it's just a board with an accelerometer, and that's it. You can make it, it can be used as a switch, or you can rotate it. You can assign in Home Assistant, at least, you can assign the automations which actually do something whenever you move or shake or hit or twist the cube. So, for example, you can make it turn on the lights like this, or turn off the lights, or like I did before, turn off or make another function, turn off or on the lights, or you can hit it on the table and it will do something else, or you can even just push it like this and it will do something. So it's a pretty nice remote control for your lights, for routines, for home automations, and whatever you want. This came with the sensor, so you can actually pop the cover. So let's pop off the cover. 2450, the same battery as the motion sensors from Aqara. Let's try it. Whoop. Caramba, that one flew away. And pairing button, an LED, I think. And let's see, I think it only has just one accelerometer and the standard CPU, MCU from Silicon Labs. But let's have a look. I don't know how to open this. I think most of these Aqara devices just need a... Oh, yeah, there you go. That's it. They just need to pop off the cover. And I believe it will also have a weight on it, because you can feel some weight on this thing. It's not that it's just a empty plastic device. It has some weight to it, which means there must be something in there. Whoop, there you go. Got it. And that should be it, really. Let's see. The LED is there, plastic pairing button, and the battery holder. There's a weight. What's this? I don't know what that is, but this is a weight enclosed in plastic, probably a metal thing. And let's see. Oh, I know what this is. Immediately when I saw the contacts, this is a vibration motor base. In the old Nokia phones, we used to have vibration motors inside the housing, sitting inside the housing, with two contacts popping out. So, and when you had the phone board, the board was touching those contacts. That's how the vibration motor was working on the early mobile phones. And this is what this is, but it's missing some circuitry here, so they didn't implement this. I don't know why. Probably maybe because of the battery, or maybe because they're gonna introduce something in the future that will have this this function. That's really interesting. Programming header, CPU. What's this? Crystal. This is the battery holder. Again, you can see flux residue around the area. That means somebody soldered it manually after the machines took over. The antenna, the 2.4 gig antenna for Zigbee, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. But that vibration thing is really interesting. I mean, they had something in mind. I don't know, maybe we'll see it in the future. Yeah, but the components are missing. I wonder what they are. I'm gonna have to have a look. It looks like capacitors or resistors. There must be a transistor somewhere. And this is the accelerometer. It says TS83 on it, or T83 I think, which I have had a look around. I couldn't actually find anything. Lumi, this is the how it shows up on Home Assistant. I haven't looked it up. Must be a company or something. But that's pretty much it. That's the Aqara Cube. It's actually a pretty nice remote. Thank you for watching.